Welcome to the Shimatzu 3-point bending test.
First, we need to power up the system. During this experiment, one person needs to man the emergency stop button at all times.
These are the items you'll need for this experiment.
Now we need to start the computer and open the test software.
We'll start by double-clicking the trapezium shortcut. Next, we will need to enter our login and password. Now we will begin installing the 3-point bend assembly. First, we place the centering pin in the center hole. Next, we place the 3-point bend fixture over the centering pin. Now we will screw the loading T receptacle into the upper load frame. Using an Allen wrench, we will now secure the loading T. We will now perform calibration of the test frame. On the control panel, press System, scroll to Calibration, press Start once under Force Execution, and press Start a second time. Now we will begin to jog the load frame down to the test fixture. To do so, press the Test button, now press the Jog On-Off button and press the High Speed button. Then use the up or down to move the head. In the trapezium software, click on the Select Method and Test. Now select Arrow 3570L 3-point bend to 1 kip. Click Finish. At this point, measure your sample dimensions and enter them into the software by pressing Specimen Sizes. Now click Finish. Now is a good time to check the space between the bend points. We will now place our specimen centered in the 3-point bend apparatus. Once satisfied with the placement of the specimen, we will jog the head to within 1/10 of an inch of the specimen. We will now lower the plexiglass shield.
We now zero the machine on the control panel using the Force 0 and the Stroke 0.
Now we will begin the experiment by pressing the Start. When ready, click the Start Test button. Once the machine reaches its maximum load, an alarm will sound. We will reset the alarm in the software. At this point, we will save our data to the desktop and then to a USB drive. We will now unload the specimen by jogging the head up. After doing so, the specimen is able to be removed. We will now begin disassembly of the 3-point fixture. First, we will remove the loading tee. Next, we will remove the upper loading tee receptacle. Now we can remove the 3-point bending apparatus. Lastly, we will remove the centering pin. To prevent oxidation of the metal surfaces, we will add a light coat of oil. We have now completed the 3-point bend test. Thank you for watching.